Toyosu Market, Tokyo, 4 a.m. While the rest of the city sleeps, a ritual of precision begins. Today, we stand before a true titan of the deep, a Pacific bluefin tuna weighing a staggering 400 kilograms. Look at those silver blue scales. They shimmer like burnished steel. But taming this monster requires more than just strength. It requires the mastery of the Maguro Bochi, a 1.5-meter specialized blade that resembles a legendary samurai sword more than a common kitchen tool. The flesh is as soft as butter, but the structure is as tough as stone. As the first incision runs along the spine, listen to the sound of years of discipline. There is no room for error here. A single inch off course could mean the loss of thousands of dollars in premium. Watch as the master removes the chi, or the bloodline. This is what we call cleansing the soul of the fish. Then comes the most grueling part, the longitudinal split. The master uses his entire body weight. Now we see it, the crown jewel, the otoro. This is the fattest, most prized part of the tuna. Look at the marbling, the intricate web of fat that makes this the wagyu of the sea. At this size, every single gram of this fish is worth more than silver. As the digital scale flickers, the numbers settle. This single fish weighs as much as 4 grown men. Piece by piece, the giant is refined, leaving behind only the purest, most expensive sushi-grade cuts. heavy lifting is over, but the artisan's work never ends. He returns to his toy sheet, the traditional whetstone. The blade isn't just a tool, it's an extension of his arm. Watch this. The edge is now so sharp that a single sheet of paper splits just by falling against it. Once the carving is done, the sanitization begins. High-pressure water jets atomize every drop of blood. In Japan, the ritual of the cleanup is as sacred as the kill itself. When they are finished, not a single trace of the battle remains. From the cold floors of Toyosu to the elite counters of Ginza, within hours, this 400-kilogram beast has been transformed into a delicate work of art. A single piece of nigiri, topped with that glistening otoro. As the fat melts instantly on the tongue, you realize the true value of this journey. It's the perfect harmony of nature's bounty and human skill. A life taken from the deep, given a final purpose, the ultimate culinary experience.